I'm on a brand new PC that I got just for streaming. All my other computers are Macs. This is a PC. So when we watch clips, it will pick up the desktop sound. The biggest hurdles to overcome in opening your own law firm, I would say figuring out a business model and sticking with it. And I don't claim to know what the hell I'm talking about. I'm still trying very much to figure that out. You know, like I went in with a plan, but then like I'll deviate and then realize, you know, wow, if I just stuck to my plan, my cases would go, you know, smoother or farther or whatever. And it's about managing cash flow, and it's been very, very difficult. It's been rewarding, difficult, lots of hard work. We're going to get into some car crash analysis, everybody. Get on Twitch. We're going to do some car crash reactions. I don't even think you need to start an account. I think you can just watch Twitch. So even if you don't want to like create an account, just go to AttorneyTom on Twitch and we'll be good. All right. What's up, Spinny? You're back. All right. It's wet. This car is out of control. Wow. Okay. This is a great accident in the sense that there's a lot to talk about. Obviously, you know, no accident's great. I hope this person's okay. Let's talk about this, okay? Truck driver, right? Clearly, this car is out of control. They are out of control. They are swerving. Every swerve they do gets higher and higher and higher. Clearly, this car is in the process of losing control. But this truck, this point of view car, fails to slow down. Fails to slow down. Look, right here. If I'm the point of view driver, if I'm this truck driver, right here, I'm identifying this as a risk and I'm slowing down or getting over. I mean, look how much time this driver has. You know something's going on. You know something's going on. You know something's going on. And he really doesn't even try to stop. He really doesn't even try to stop. I mean, yes, it's wet. You have to stop slower. You can't slam on the brakes or you risk this same outcome. But look, you know, yes, losing control, not slowing down, not slowing down, not slowing down, not slowing down. Now he's, you know, hits him. I would take that case. If this guy called my office and said, hey, I was in an accident. This is what happened. I lost control. But I still got hit. I would take this case. If you took that case, could the point of view driver keep that dash cam video from you? Or could his attorney recommend the video not get released? So Chad, if I took that case, we would request that video in discovery. And if you request it in discovery, you have to turn it over. And if you get caught not turning things over in discovery, like if they had that video and they purposely deleted it or whatever, then there would be huge consequences to that. It's really not worth playing that game. But yeah, I mean, if I'm the lawyer, I'm requesting dash cam footage. It's just part of our procedure, and we will request that footage. All right, here we go. We're in New York, merging. Classic. This happens all the time. All the time. So this is huge, okay? This is huge. This tells you that our individual point of view car right here, they have the right of way. It is this person's job to merge. And you can see here there's a yield sign. So this person's going straight. They get there at the exact same time. Yeah, even this person did get there a little bit beforehand, but you have to remember, this person has the right of way. I'm skipping too much. Skipping too much. So yeah, this person beats the point of view car into the to the merge, but this person still has the obligation to yield the right of way. I mean, for anything close, right? Unless it's egregious, you know. Like, yeah, the point of view car, Chad says the point of view car even sped up. And, you know, just off of the video, I'm putting 60% of fault, 65% of fault on this person, meaning, you know, once you get over 50, it's their fault, right? So 65% of fault of this person because they have to yield. All right. Go through the intersection. It looks like the other person ran the red light. So you can see here I paused the car that ends up getting hit. It's a yellow light. It looks like they are through the intersection. So they're trying to run a yellow light essentially, okay? And clearly if they're running a yellow light, the other car, the perpendicular car, is a red light. So this person runs the intersection. So it's going to be almost exclusively the other car's fault, the perpendicular car, not the car in our lane of traffic. Pretty easy. Let's go to the next accident.
Okay, yeah, no worries.
All right, here we go. Intersection. Green light. That was the weakest crash I've ever seen. Okay, so clearly it's this white car's fault, this mini white car. Look how much time they had to not get into an accident. Gaming Llama says, "Can I be my own lawyer?" I highly do not recommend that. You know, first of all, you're not trained to be a lawyer. Second of all, even if you were trained to be a lawyer, there's a saying that an attorney who represents himself or herself has a fool for a client. You know, like if I would not even represent myself because you don't do that. You just don't represent yourself. Steve is coming in hot with some legal jurisdictional questions. I personally think that personal jurisdiction and, you know, that kind of stuff, subject matter jurisdiction, I personally think it needs to be expanded. I think it's too narrow. I think it helps corporations play BS games, especially now that travel is so easy. Travel's so easy. People can essentially work from anywhere. I think that a lot of big companies use it to put themselves in favorable venues. And when something is clearly able to be adjudicated in a different venue, I think they hide behind some older precedent. And the unfortunate thing, I think, is that it's only going to it's not going to be broadened anytime soon. In fact, I think it's going to get more narrow. I have a colleague who has a case going before the Supreme Court this term, actually, or I think it might have already been argued. They might have argued it over Zoom over some personal jurisdiction issues. And they've had some experts say that, you know, the likelihood of them losing is pretty high, right? And it was granted on cert from the defendant, meaning just on the fact that they're even looking at the issue in general is probably not good, right? Because it means that they want to change something.